Once upon a time in a quaint village, there lived two curious and adventurous siblings named Lily and Leo. They were known throughout the village for their insatiable curiosity and their unbreakable bond. One sunny morning, Lily and Leo discovered a mysterious old map hidden in their attic. The map depicted a fantastical forest rumored to be filled with magical creatures and hidden treasures. Eager to embark on a grand adventure, Lily and Leo packed their knapsacks with snacks, a compass, and a sense of excitement. Following the map's cryptic clues, they set off into the enchanting forest. As they journeyed deeper, the air seemed to shimmer with an otherworldly glow, and the trees whispered secrets only they could understand. Their first challenge came in the form of a rickety bridge spanning a bubbling brook. "We must cross this bridge to continue our quest," said Lily confidently. However, the bridge was guarded by a mischievous troll named Tumblito. Tumblito demanded that they solve a riddle before allowing them to cross. "Two sisters we are, identical in every way. One speaks the truth, the other leads astray. Choose wisely, dear travelers, and you may pass. Choose wrong, and your hopes will shatter like glass." Lily and Leo thought long and hard, and finally, Leo had a brilliant idea. He turned to the sisters and asked, "Which path would your sister tell me to take?" The sisters conferred, and then one of them pointed to a path. Lily and Leo nodded and confidently crossed the bridge, leaving the troll scratching his head in puzzlement. As they continued their journey, they encountered a charming meadow filled with colorful flowers. In the center of the meadow stood a magnificent talking tree named Tallulah. Tallulah was known to grant wishes, but only to those who passed her tests of kindness. Tallulah presented them with a challenge. "You have one basket of apples. Share these apples with the creatures of the forest and prove your kindness." Lily and Leo gladly shared the apples with the forest animals, laughing as squirrels, rabbits, and birds enjoyed the treats. Tallulah was pleased by their generosity and granted them each a special gift. Lily received the ability to communicate with animals, and Leo gained the power of understanding plants. Empowered by their new abilities, the siblings ventured deeper into the forest. Along the way, they encountered a lost and sad unicorn named Stardust. With Lily's newfound ability, she spoke gently to Stardust, understanding his needs and comforting him. Grateful for their help, Stardust offered to guide them to the heart of the forest. In the heart of the forest, Lily and Leo discovered an ancient tree with a keyhole. The magical key they had been seeking was hidden in a nest atop the tree. With Stardust's help, they retrieved the key and unlocked the tree's secrets. Inside, they found a chest filled with precious gems, each one holding a unique power. With their adventure coming to an end, Lily and Leo returned to their village as heroes. They used the magical gems to bring prosperity and joy to their village, sharing the wonders they had encountered with everyone they met. The village flourished, and Lily and Leo's bond grew even stronger. And so, Lily and Leo's incredible adventure became a timeless tale of courage, kindness, and the magic that dwells within every heart. And whenever someone in the village looked up at the stars twinkling in the night sky, they remembered the two siblings who had embarked on a journey beyond imagination, forever inspiring the spirit of adventure in all who heard their story.